I just got here at C&M Motor Cars where they're having a car show. I picked up a new mic, but I'm not exactly sure if it's going to pick up the highway noise, so if it does, I apologize in advance. So the first couple cars I'm seeing, right here we got this Trackhawk. Then next to it we have an SS with slicks. And a cow hood. This thing is mean. Those headlights look sick too, with the red accents. Then this Trackhawk looks amazing too. So I was walking to the showroom and then I see this Demon right here. Perfect color. There's the emblem. The wide body kit, of course. This thing looks insane. I believe this is the widest hood scoop on any production vehicle. And I may be wrong, I'm not sure. But then we have a classic Ferrari. Not sure what model this is. I don't know classic Ferraris very well. The interior is super nice. Ferrari 400. Not 100% sure. I know this is right here, the 308 GTS, which also looks amazing. Love the rims on both these Ferraris. Look amazing. Super nice interior once again. Love the seats. Then next to it is a GT350. This is actually my dream car. Up here, I've actually seen this Acura NSX before. It's a great color. Manual. Yeah, this thing's amazing. I love the seats. It's a great spec for Acura NSX. Oh, I didn't even notice the calipers. Yeah, that's an amazing color. So there are two Corvette Z06s. The seats say GT1. I know that these are limited production. I don't know too much about them, but I love the way they look. There's a black one over here. Over here you have a C6 ZR1. Love the hoods on these things.
He knew it was coming, and he had bought a used car. He gets fired, comes over, sits in the office with the kids, and he took like a couple more times. Used car manager down there.
You have a C7 ZR1 over there, but I still love the C6 ZR1 more. I think the C6 is the best generation of Corvette, in my opinion. This Morgan over here is pretty sweet.
I did got my machine back, so it's nice one
The Subaru is pretty crazy. This one has an LSX in it. With the turbo. Talked to the owner, it's making about 600. Back here we got some more classic cars, C3 Corvette. And a C4 Corvette up here. Really like the rims on that. Got a Huracan up here. LP640-2. Great looking car and a perfect color. I really love this color. next to Camaro SS. There's a super clean E30 M3. Perfect color. Here's a closer look at the Demon box. I forget what all comes in this. I know it has skinny front tires, but I can't remember what else comes with it. This is the Ferrari that just pulled up. Red interior, super clean. See this RS6 on rotiforms. Just an amazing spec. Sick license plate too. There's another RS6 over here. This one's on Boston wheels instead of rotiforms. I love the spec on this M4 comp. That gray is just amazing with the red interior. In my opinion, you just can't beat it.